StudyMojo.com.
The next question is a commonly asked question. It's an important question. The question is, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building, 10-meter tall building, 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. Angle of elevation theta is equal to 30 degree. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flag staff from P is 45 degree. Next is 45 degree. We can take it as alpha is equal to 45 degree. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from the point P. We have to take root 3 as 1.732. This is the question. 1.732. I shall read the question once more. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45 degree. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from the point P. Here also we have to find out two quantities. Now draw a building which is 10 meter high and this is the level ground. This is the level ground. Here is a point P. Let this be the 10 meter tall building. The 10 meter tall building is AB. It is 10 meter it is given. Now the angle of elevation it is given to be from the point P, the angle of elevation to the top of the building it is given to be 30 degree. Now a flag is hoisted at the top of the building. A flag. Here is a flag and this is the flagstaff. Flagstaff. Now, from the same point P, the angle of elevation to the flag is the top of the flagstaff is given to be, it is given to be 45 degree. The whole angle it is 45 degree. We have to find the length of the flagstaff and the distance between the point P and the building. So, AP, we have to find out the length of AP and BC. So, we are taking the opposite side of 30 degrees here it is AB and this is the adjacent side, let it be X. Now we are taking opposite side, adjacent side, so the ratio is tan 30 is equal to, we are taking the triangle we are considering is PAB or APB. In triangle APB, tan 30 is equal to, tan 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side means AB by AP, AB by AP, AB by AP. Remember the value of tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 10 divided by AP. 10 divided by AP. Now cross multiplying. AP into 1, it is AP itself is equal to 10 into root 3. The value of root 3 is given in the question to be 1.732. It is 10 into 1.732. That means AP is equal to, multiplying with the 10 it will become 17.32. 17.32. That is the length of AP. That means distance from the point P to the building is 17. That is distance from the point P, from the point P to the building is equal to 17.32 meter. One answer we obtained. Now we have to consider the triangle APC. In triangle APC, in triangle APC, the opposite side is AC and adjacent side is AP. Tan 45, we are taking tan 45. Opposite side is AC and adjacent side is AP itself, AP. Now, tan 45, remember the value of tan 45. Tan 45 is 1 itself. 1 is equal to AC divided by AP. Now, cross multiplying, AC is equal to AP. AC is equal to AP. AC is equal to AP is equal to AP. We had to find the value of AP. It is 17.32. We are knowing the value. It is 17.32. That is AC means AB plus BC. That is AB plus BC is equal to 17.32. That means AB is equal to 10 plus BC is equal to 17.32. Therefore, BC is equal to 17.32 minus 10. We are subtracting 10 from 17.32. BC is equal to, subtracting, it is 7.32. That is, our conclusion is length of the flagstaff, that is BC. We have taken BC as the flagstaff. Therefore, length of the flagstaff. Length of the flagstaff is equal to 7.32 meter. So we got the two answers. One is distance from the point P to the building. It is 17.32 meter and the length of the flagstaff is equal to 7.32 meter. We have to consider firstly tan 30 from triangle APB and tan 45 from triangle APC or PAC. Okay.